Hello everybody, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video, we're going to be covering the user group right to be able to modify the help page within VALT. To start, we're going to click underneath my face on the profile icon and open up the help page, the question mark. Now the top 6 icons, these are put here by Intelligent Video Solutions for you to find information and be able to contact our support department. But underneath it, you can add more to communicate with your team on what to do. So in our case, we have one for when you're finished with the recording, what to do, and another one for internal resources, so some phone numbers for people that may work at the organization. So to add information like this, or to remove or change it, we'll go to Settings, Users and Groups, modify the group you want to give this permission to, and scroll down to Rights. Within Rights, we'll open up Settings, and then towards the bottom, we'll find Help. So if you have this checkbox checked, you'll be able to modify the different information within the help page. Again, if I have this checked, I'll see this icon right here when I click on Settings, and I'll see what I currently have. Now I can drag and drop these to change the order on the page. I can make edits to what's within them. I can expand and see what's already in here, or I can hit plus and add more information for my team to see when they click on Help. And that's the user group right to be able to modify the help page within VALT.